has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 9 p.m. At 8:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Parkersburg, or 13 miles southeast of New Holland, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and any size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to
I'm
roofs,
here, I'm just oh
siding,
my god.
trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Coatesville, Kennett Square, Oxford, Parkersburg, West Grove, Homeville, Cochranville, Lathrenburg, Kendallsville, North Star, Atwood, South Coatesville, Avondale, Modena, and Cumberland. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring
I'll
with
give you
this
some
storm.
emeralds back.
Move indoors
I don't
immediately.
need them anymore.
Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Yes.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following county: Chester,
I'm still
Pennsylvania.
here. I'm gonna.
The National
Alrighty.
Weather